loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be heading to a couple of stores. The first store I'm planning on going to is going to be Five Below. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, and so today is Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. Your girl is not in the Christmas mood. I'm not in the holiday spirit this year. I don't know if it's because December hasn't hit yet or because Thanksgiving was yesterday, but I don't know. Your girl just ain't feeling Christmas. So in today's vlog, I'm basically going to be headed to a bunch of different stores. I think a bunch of different stores for basically some holiday decor. Trying to, get in the Christmas vibes, the Christmas mood, That's exactly what I'm trying to do. So the first store I'm going to head to is going to be Five Below. I'm going to check out what Christmas decor they have. If I find everything in there, then that's basically, I'm just going to come home. But I don't know. Just come along for the ride.
Just don't understand what we did wrong.
AJ.
I gave you
Hey,
my
man.
heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
I might make us take some pictures together, man. I think that's cute. I'm not. If I was, they wouldn't sell it.
I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
So we just got back from doing a little bit of holiday shopping. We went to Bath & Body Works, Five Below, Burlington Coat Factory. So I'm just going to basically show you everything that I got. From Five Below, I ended up getting this tripod. I know it's not holiday related, but I need this to film my content so that I can have another tripod. It was $8. It says it's Bluetooth and comes with a remote control. So I feel like $8 is definitely a steal for that. Also got a green screen backdrop. Don't know what I'm going to do with that, but it was $5 also. I felt like I had the Canva app, so I could just take some pictures of myself in front of the green screen, crop out the background. Yeah, I am super excited about that. I also got some garland. It is 9 feet long garland. I think I'm gonna put this over the fireplace. I'm not really sure, but it was $3. I also got this super cute calendar. It is black, white, and gold. And if you know me, those are my colors. It's the colors throughout my whole entire house. If you can see the background, it's the color of my beauty room. It's the color of my shop. Like, it is amazing. And I thought this was really cute for $5. My son got a gaming mouse, a LED color changing one. And I also got this cute little Terry bow headband. I thought this was really cute. Basically people use this, you know, when they're doing like face masks or they're doing their makeup so they don't get it in their hair. Definitely excited about this because I'm going to film a nighttime skin routine and I'm going to start filming some get ready with me videos, so I'm super excited. Burlington Coat Factory, I got this super cute mug. It says best wife ever because I'm the best wife ever, and it was only $3.99. I'm gonna plan to drink, I don't know, I guess my morning coffee, but I'm not really a coffee person, so I don't know. I'm gonna drink something in the mornings in this because she's just so cute. And then I also got this cute little box, decorative gift box. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory, and she was $4.99. And it just says Merry Christmas. But like I said, I'm into anything black and gold, and this is black and gold, so I'm going to use this in my Vlogmas setup, my YouTube setup. I'm going to put this on the back of my setup, so you'll see this and some tree or a little Christmas tree. I don't know, I'm probably going to film me setting that up also. But yeah, that's all I got. So today is Vlogmas. Not sure what day Vlogmas, but yeah, this will definitely be one of my Vlogmas content videos. So thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the thumbs up, like, comment, all that good stuff. Hope to see you in my next video.